Man, look at these corner lights.
The old ones I had were harder. They weren't that bad cracked, but they were harder.
Custom grill too.
Yeah.
This ain't the OG.
Detail shit like that. If you don't.
Whoa, look at that big ass Texas flag, fool. But nah, I was gonna film the 4Gs on this. I hate the truck, but the rims was kind of hard. There was 4Giatos. Let me see if I catch up. I just want to check out the rims. Izzy 409. I hate this Cybertrucks, y'all. What y'all think about Cybertrucks? I fucking don't fuck with them at all. I just thought these rims was kind of hard. Let me try to check them out. Oh yeah, there y'all go. What y'all think about the rims? I fuck with them. I'm riding spinners, it don't stop. That boy pulled out the Chrysler 300 on the floaters. Look like the floater about to come off that bitch, but he riding spinners, baby. Okay, gotta get some hardware. I think I got the right stuff. Man, that hoe clean, dog. I don't really fuck with Mercedes like that, but this bitch is clean. Boy got the clear lights in the front too. Man, that hoe bad ass. I ain't gonna lie, I ride that hoe. My favorite car, y'all know, 75 Caprice convertible. That bitch look damn good. He just needs some assistance putting on the skirts. Got the drill ski ready. But that thing nice. But that's good, bro. Woo! Man, this hoe clean. Clean as fuck. I like the color on this hoe. That bitch clean. Woo. Shit, I'm having more trouble taking the damn tape off, but I got the screw snaps in over on this side. He ain't got the little rubber, so I can't align at 100, but I'll click y'all when I got it buttoned up. All right, we got this side popped on. It got that gap for that rubber. But other than that, I think it looks decent right there. Alignment wise on the side. Oh yeah, the skirts make that shit look good. Oh, watch it now. Ooh, just covering half that rim make that shit look good.
Yeah.
That bitch clean. He on that Brandywine with that top make it look fucking nasty. We have to put tape on this boy because he got fresh paint. We over here trying to put these little screws on here. What y'all think about them 4Gs, baby? These are different kind of center gold.
Big face, though.
All right, got the second one kind of lined up. Look pretty all right.
The old bracket too, brother.
I kind of wish he did have the rubber so we could get it 100 aligned, but it is what it is. That bitch sound good, huh? Oh yeah, he banging too. That bitch sound good. And that cranberry top, boy, watch out. I ain't even see the mirror right now.
Second ward, baby.
I like this goddamn color on this car. And see, I like how he got the little wreath on the true spoke gold. That's clean.
Oh yeah.
Man, look at these corner lights.
The old ones I had, they were harder. They weren't that bad crack, but they were harder. I was like, man,
Custom grill too.
yeah, but it was
This ain't the
harder.
OG.
Detail shit like that.
If you don't do it, you will notice it. Right now, those niggas,
That whole mint. And then the tail lights, a lot of people overlook. They get a wet ass paint job and don't do nothing with the lights. Be over here helping us film a little promo video for the new work shirts. Then they're gonna work on his motor a little bit, put it on the stand. He got to do the spindle still, and then off to the scrap yard.
What I'm gonna use,
You gotta get the jack. What? I brought my jack. You borrow my jack.
what I'm gonna use to, do I use regular sockets to take these hoes off?
You can, yeah. Why
Alright,
not? But you're
alright.
gonna need a real hammer, not that baby shit you got.
I got you. No, outside I'm Gucci to use,
His shit, and we need that fork.
alright.
But
We're
Damn.
gonna go to the park when I get back home, alright?
yeah, the frog jumped in the oil. That bitch died.
You look pretty, I like your hair like that. Alright, you ain't gonna beat me though. Bro, you can't beat me, I'm super fast.
R.I.P. to the homie. They're gonna make you do the whole test and all that?
Nah, just like nigga, you don't got a test. It's like nigga, we found paraphernalia.
no, I knew you.
Ooh, little bucket seats clean. Remind me of my first Cutlass. I had a black one. Long time ago. Why Milo had to get rid of the cut dog, fool? They actually do. They probably got that 307. Unless he already did a 350 swap or something.
Yeah, he sound hella good. That got me feeling good right now. I don't even break that bitch down. 305, that motherfucker's struggling. We put some 8 on there, all that, just safe.